cattle year-round. So anyway, with that, I will turn it over to Pat, who's doing this.
Okay, traditionally we have a reading of the legend about how dragon boating kind of initiated itself, and it goes back to a legend that Aiden's going to tell us about.
Hi. Okay, so dragon boating there's a bunch of different stories for how it like all got started, but one of the more popular ones from China is about a poet who was in a capital of there were two warring dynasties, the Chu and the Chu and the Qin, and there was a poet who was living in the Chu capital, and the Qin dynasty came in and took over the capital, and in despair, the poet, whose name was Ku Yan, threw himself into the river in despair and killed himself. And the people of the Chu dynasty were so enthralled with him and loved his work that they rushed to the river to try and save his body so that the fish wouldn't eat it. They looked through the river, but they couldn't find him. So they threw a dumpling in the water. They threw their dumplings in the water so that the fish would eat the dumplings instead. And then, in honor of his death, there are boat races. There's drinking of ceremonial wine, and every year they throw dumplings in the water. So Rowan here is gonna help us and throw some rice in the water, unless anyone's vehemently opposed to us throwing rice in the water.
The depth's probably good.
So Rowan has some of a ceremonial dumpling, which Fong is going to tell me I'm going to pronounce wrong, but it's zhengji. Close-ish.
Excellent.
So not the whole thing, just throw some rice in.
Say something.
Rice, just say rice, just say rice.
Woo!
Awesome. So that's one of the, there's a couple other origin stories involving other people. One of them is a festival commemorating a general and his wife, and then another one is commemorating a different general and his daughter, all of whom killed themselves, and then things were thrown into a river and races happened. Also, there is, so actually, it's kind of weird because recently, until very recently, China wasn't actually celebrating the holiday, which is called Duanwu. It's the celebration of the Dragon Boat Festival in the river, and in 2008 it actually became a national holiday in China, so that's good stuff. So yeah, some of the things that happen on this holiday traditionally are dragon boat racing. We did a practice, so that was good. The ceremonial dumping of rice into the river, and Realgar wine, which we have some wine on this table, and it's a special alcoholic wine. It's a yellow wine, and they drink it as an antidote against poison in Asia. So yeah, those are just some of the things that happen on this holiday.
So Rowan, are you going to drink the wine?
Ceremonial drinking.
So we'll continue our ceremony with acknowledgement of the items that are here on the table, symbolizing the offerings that we give to the dragon person, so that he is appeased for this whole season for us. So there's wine, there's rice, there's incense, there's a zhongqi, how we said it, and there's money in the little red envelopes there. And we also use this occasion to honor someone who's contributed to the promotion of the sport and demonstrated skill and love of the water, and also promoted membership by bringing us 3 additional teenagers and an occasional husband. So our honoree is Stephanie. Where is she?
Oh. Thank you.
All right, forward.
I'm supposed to step forward?
Stephanie. And she gets the honor of opening the eyes of the dragon. And so we have a paintbrush here, and we're just going to
hold my keys.
pretend that we're painting, because otherwise it makes a mess. So she's
Okay.
going to open the eyes of the dragon and officially start our season.
Okay, so
Open the eyes.
it's a good thing you're not having me really paint, because I'm not very good at painting. All right.
Yay, she was successful. We're officially launched. Thank you, Stephanie. Let's eat.
Thank you, Pat. Thank you, everybody.